So if I Control Z it, if I press 1, now it's good. But if I press 2 here, then I get the other way around. So it's a very interesting problem.
Mathematics is happening.
Yeah, I mean, life do be mathing sometimes like this. But I'm trying to figure out a condition that doesn't think about the specifics of this. For example, before I was trying to do, for example, when a calculation happens, then I save that computation, and that computation gets passed down, and then it gets passed up again, and it then checks the previous computation with the past object, which should be the same, and it should block it. But for some reason, it didn't work. So if I try this, for example, previous source form values, and I can say this, for example, just to make it quick. It's a lot of bad code, but ignore that for now. Now, of course, you can ignore that. I guess bad code. Where should I place them? Maybe here, after this, and then I can just say return maybe previous source form values, or maybe even the current, but I'll see what's better. Oh, never mind. Okay. What about?
You should use the question mark and not the exclamation point, because it can be zero, null.
Cannot read.
Above in your if condition.
Maybe this, or maybe even this. No, cannot read properties of undefined.
Look at the line number.
Where's the line number?
Yeah, that's hidden.
Maybe it's not 6234.
Yeah.
62?
So go to line 62. There.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's see if it'll work. 1. Did it do it less this time?
Yeah.
So
what you are trying to achieve is to break the infinity loop, because you changed the Celsius and you have to recalculate the Fahrenheit, and then the Fahrenheit changes and you want to recalculate the Celsius. And luckily, because of your rounding thing, you break out of the loop, because at some point the numbers won't change anymore. So but yeah, the misunderstanding was you don't need to use form controls and so on, just pure signals to get this thing working.
But I wanted to try it out, and I guess it's...
I guess you learned something, and that's the most...
Yeah, I guess I learned that I shouldn't do this.